I can see it that some people want to quit on Jasmycoin. They look at the overall price and how far it has dropped in the last year, and they want to quit on it. And I totally understand where you're coming from. You can say and do whatever you really want to with your position. I'm just letting you know that you are acting acting out, let's say, prematurely. But it is truly on you on whether you want to take your investment and go, I don't want to be a part of this. But I've seen this episode, I've seen this movie 1,000 times before. It drops down to a low price, people overreact, which creates more negativity. And then it ends up popping off, and then people are either saying, I missed out on the opportunity, I'm so mad at myself, and start crying, or people start buying back into it at higher prices than what they held at and holding less Jasmycoin. And it hurts me either way because I've been in both of those situations where I had something, saw it at the bottom, said, I don't want to hold this anymore. I see a better opportunity, or I think I see a better opportunity. I buy into that. That better opportunity starts to come down. This, what I thought was a worse opportunity, starts to go up. And now I say, not only did I lose the money that I was going to lose, but I'm also losing more money because this other position is dropping. And now what do? Do I start that train of buying at the high, selling at the low? Do I start that train and then I just don't know how to fix it, or I don't know how to get out of that train? Um, Maybe. So I want to talk about Jasmycoin and maybe give you a comparison to show where we are, where I expect to go. It may not be as big as the position that I'm talking about, but it does have some similarities, I guess, that we can kind of look at and go, you know what? That makes sense. Guys, if you can hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you guys can check out my link down below for BTCC, please do so. It is a great platform that I've been able to use for a year and a half, year and 7 months, year and 8 months, something like that. And it's been great. I've been able to make money, short term, long term from it. And if you use my link, you'll get extra things. You'll get a bonus of 10% on your first time deposit, extra bonuses up to $10,000, and you can enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees, as well as being able to trade a 250x leverage all the way down to a 2x leverage if you want to. So check it out. It's all with no VPN, no KYC that's required. So definitely give it a look. The link will be at the top of the description. Now, again, I just showed you Jasmycoin of where it stood for the past year. It's down by 70%. Things that are down by 70%, I see as an opportunity. That's why I decided to purchase more. It did raise my original cost basis of 40% of a penny to 56% of a penny. But it currently sits at about 57% of a penny. So I am slightly up on my play, but I have no worry, no doubt in my mind that we will be worth a lot more than where we stand here today. In the last month, it is only down by 0.02%, so basically break even. In the last week, it's down by 7%. In the last 24 hours, it's up by 1.2%. The volume has increased by 13% today to about a $12 million level. Still not showing the actual popularity of what it should be, which is 10 to 30%, but 4% volume to market cap ratio. We are sitting at a $283 million market cap as well, sitting us outside the top 100 cryptocurrencies at 125 by market cap. Now, I believe that Jasmycoin and many other cryptocurrencies can actually show maybe a trend of what can happen with something that has popularity, that has a use case, that has people talking about it. And one that I went through was XRP's price predictions back from 2015. XRP's price predictions were highly speculative, with early crypto forums largely split between predicting it would reach $1 to $10, basing on banking adoption. and skeptics warning it could fall to zero. That's what I talked about in an earlier video that I made about XRP. Ultimately, XRP spent its entirety of 2015 trading in a steep downtrend, closing the year at 60% of a penny, 62% of a penny, after starting the year at about 2 cents. Sounds familiar, right? Starting the year at about 2 cents and then ending the year at about 60% of a penny. Starting the year at about 2 cents and ending the year at about 60% of a penny. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to end this year at 60% of a penny, and that could be the trend, but just because something drops to that low of a level, just because something drops by 70% ish, does not mean that it's a complete failure, that it won't succeed in the end. Yes, that was 2015 and now is currently 2026, and seeing that at 60% of a penny, being able to buy XRP at 60% of a penny would have been absolutely phenomenal. You would have had millions of XRP and didn't spend tens of thousands of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars. You would have spent, $6,000 on a million XRP. That sound fantastic? It does to me. Wish I could have, right? I currently have 200,000. I'm happy with that. Definitely. But would I have loved to buy a million XRP? Yeah. And that's kind of where we stand with Jasmycoin. I think being able to have a million at this stage, yes, it may seem like nothing. It may seem like, oh, it's just another low priced coin. But then once you start to see more and more holders, right? At those points, did XRP have 100,000 holders? Probably not. It currently has 530,000 holders, and that's 10 years later. So Jasmycoin at 100,000 holders has a little bit of a leg up, has a little bit more popularity at that time, and we're going to see, billions of dollars worth of a market cap. Probably tens and hundreds of billions of dollars if everything goes exactly as planned, which could be fantastic, absolutely amazing for a play like this. So seeing where this is, you have to feel confident about holding Jasmycoin, holding a million or holding 100,000 or holding 200 or 500,000, whatever it is you hold. You have to feel confident about that, because I'm very happy that I have 3.1 million Jasmycoin in my possession. Whatever I decide that I want to do with a million, I can do whatever I want. Then another million, I can do whatever I want. I can hold the other million for a very long term. It could be 10 years from now. And then all of a sudden, we're sitting at multiple millions of dollars, and I'm a Jasmy millionaire, truly. So hopefully this video instills some confidence in your one investment style, as well as just giving you the confidence to hold it and believe in it and see the success within it, and maybe even research more and all of that stuff. I'm excited for what the future can bring. After seeing that, it makes me excited about seeing this now at the level of $1, $2, $10 or so. That would be amazing. I'm not pushing for that, but it would be fantastic. Guys, let me know what you think about this Jasmy comparison. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. And again, check out my link for BTCC down below. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.